Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera from NBC Trading Academy with our pre-market forecast for today, Friday, May the 10th. Let's quickly look at our news items for today. For news today at 8:30, we have our CPI information coming out today. After that, we really have nothing to be concerned with. Let's see what happens here with the inflation information. Let's quickly jump to our analysis with our daily chart. Market continues is retrace off the all-time highs here, finding support at the areas that we had spoken about here. Remember, we had support at 20, support at the 50. Now the next area of support is going to be right around this area here, which was our triple top, double top, which became a triple top, which began our precipitation down in early December. We have support here. We have the 20, we have the 200. That's a good area. I measured a Fibonacci from the initial run here on the 26th all the way to the high, and we're reaching, if we come a little lower to, let's say, the 80, we're reaching the 23% retracement. So it's still a potentially good area for us to find support and continue to the upside. Obviously, we have the 38, the 50, and the 61 kind of lining up with previous areas, so that's typical. But today, what do we have? We have high volume. A lot of traders have been having a hard time trading these days because of the quick movement, because of the high volume, and it's just a matter of adaptation. And in this Trading Academy, we know just by our analysis initially what to kind of expect in the market and how to align our trading disposition so we can correctly adapt to the market conditions. So we're not rushed into the market. We're not sitting in here with a preconceived notion. We're coming in here and analyzing. We're reading the market. We're putting together plans in reference to what we're seeing. We have our expectations set, and we want to trade that expectation as long as the market remains with those conditions. If not, we learn to adapt, and within the adaptation, we also have the plan to follow through on that one. So that's what makes trading very challenging, and at the same time very fun and very effective. Is when you learn that you need to anticipate and also have the flexibility to adapt to market conditions. Let's look at our projection chart here. This is a chart where we plot price areas, price ranges that the market can potentially come and revisit again. Here are points to the upside clearly marked and our points to the downside here. So we're expecting some support here at this net level here at 28.37, approximately 28.37. This is a very key area in the market today. We're expecting the market, if it comes down here, this is the key area. This is what we're designating a really critical area in the market today, which is this area of support here. If the market goes lower from this price area here, we're expecting a little bit of precipitation to the downside, which also bodes well for us as traders. As day traders, it's not really important which direction the market is going. We're looking for volatility and volume. When we have volatility, which is movement, and volume, which is participants, it makes our job a lot easier. We just have to put ourselves in the right place and let the market do the rest. So here is our analysis chart. We find ourselves we attempted to break the intraday high from yesterday. We tried it several times. We failed from, and now we're coming down to these areas here. Again, we're looking for the market to remain below this area today and find support. This is our next support level, is down here. So this is the very critical area here in the market. As the market tries to test this area here, we have selling pressure to the downside. If the market breaks that area clearly, the next area of support is going to be here, and that's going to be a very critical area. And we're talking about the area of about 28.37, 28.36, right around this area here. This area is very critical for us there, as I mentioned earlier. So that's the key. Let's look at our trade chart. This is a chart that we enter our positions and manage our risks. Here we see earlier in the morning, we saw that the market had a trend line which the market was holding. Market breaks through and the selling pressure takes over as it tries once again to break above the intraday high. It can't, and it stays lower, and it just rushes right down to the support area here. So that's the critical area here. Where is the market going to go today? We don't know where the market is going to go, but the point is you need to be able to anticipate whichever way the market goes. You have to have a plan. That's the key today. So just be patient. A lot of volume, remember, offers us a lot of good opportunities. Watch a little bit of the overruns over areas, and you should be okay today. Take care. Have a great trading session. Ciao.